In this video, we'll look at how to use hbase. The easiest way to use hbase is to use its interactive shell, which can run on your computer without the need of HDFS. We'll show you an example shortly. You can, of course, also access hbase programmatically. To use the interactive shell, you'll first start hbase, and then you launch the shell. You can use the status command to check that hbase is running. Next, we create an hbase table called test table with one column family. We call that column family should be defined when a table is created. Then we start adding data to the table using the put command. Here we add 3 cell values. The first one added to row 1, column Q1. Note that we are creating the column Q1 as we add this new piece of data. Then we add the second and the third value in a similar fashion. Note that all these commands complete very quickly in a few milliseconds. Using the scan commands, we can print out the 3 values we have just added. Note that the rows are sorted by their row keys. To do a random lookup for a row, we use the get command. Here we retrieve one complete row by specifying the table name and the row key. The retrieval also completes very quickly. You can, of course, also retrieve cell or a particular version of a cell by adding column names, timestamps, and so on in the get command. To delete a record, you will use the delete command. Here we delete a particular cell value. This also completes quickly. In this video, we'll look at how to try out hbase quickly using its interactive shell.